If you just bought one of those small drones that weighs under 250 grams or 0.55 pounds, this video is for you. Maybe it's a DJI Mini, DJI Neo, Skyrover, Holystone, or toy drone. And honestly, these drones are pretty awesome. They're small, easy to carry, less intimidating to fly, and one of the biggest reasons people buy them is because they come with fewer rules compared to larger drones. So let's break down everything you need to know. Sub 250 gram drones are especially popular with beginners and travelers because they're portable, lightweight, and usually simpler from a registration standpoint. In the US, if you're flying recreationally, meaning just for fun, a drone under 250 grams usually does not need to be registered with the FAA, which also means it doesn't need remote ID. But you still need to follow the recreational drone rules, so you still need to take trust, carry proof of completion, and respect general airspace and drone rules. So before you start flying, here are the big things you need to know. If you're flying recreationally, take trust. It's free, online, and pretty simple. Think of it as the basic safety test every recreational drone pilot needs before flying. Second, check your airspace. Just because your drone is small does not mean you can fly near airports, over stadiums, around emergency response areas, or in controlled airspace without knowing what's allowed. Download free apps like Autopilot or Aloft to check which airspace you're in before flying. If you're in uncontrolled airspace or Class G, you don't need authorization and you can fly up to 400 feet. If you're in controlled airspace like Class B, C, D, or E, you need to get authorization before you fly. Third, you need to keep the drone within visual line of sight. These small drones can disappear fast, especially when they're up high or flying away from you. Fourth, avoid flying over people and cars. Only commercial pilots can fly over people and vehicles, and even then, they usually need to apply for certain waivers. And fifth, understand why you're flying. If you're flying just for fun, that's recreational. But if you're using the drone for work, real estate, inspections, client projects, or business content, that falls under Part 107. And under Part 107, drones need to be registered even if they weigh less than 250 grams. So let us know in the comments if you fly a sub 250 gram drone. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.